Hello and good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to be showing you this absolutely stunning 1957 Chevrolet convertible resto mod that we just got in here. This car is absolutely beautiful from front to back. It features a 350 cubic inch fuel injected engine underneath the hood, 700 R4 automatic transmission, overdrive transmission, so you can cruise this baby anywhere you want to. This is a California car. Car is super slick front to back. This is a very high quality build. Gorgeous car. It has 16,000 miles on it since it was restored. So they built this car to drive, and this car does drive absolutely splendid. What a great 1957 Chevrolet resto mod convertible. Isn't this thing just gorgeous? Everything on this car, it looks, it runs, it sounds. The interior is gorgeous, the paint's gorgeous, the bumpers, the chrome, the stainless, the bright work. Everything on this car is absolutely stunning. Beautiful 1957. Look down the sides of this car. Stunning automobile. I found just a couple small imperfections in this car, and I'll be glad to show them to you. That's what we do here at Kinion Classic Cars. I'm always honest with you. I'm always upfront with you. I'll tell you exactly what we see. That way you know exactly what you're buying. We sell these cars all over the country and all over the world, so I want our customers to know that they can trust in us, they can trust in Kinion Classic Cars, and we will always try to do the best job possible for them. I'll start off, it's got one little rock chip right here in the hood that was touched up. Just one small little tiny spot right there, as you can see. There we go. Check out the engine bay in this car. What a beautiful car. High quality, high-end build, painted firewall, painted inner fenders, all decked out engine compartment, aluminum radiator, aluminum AC condenser. What a gorgeous car. The whole undercarriage of this car, all paint and match. Underneath the car, all painted body color red. The frame of this car, all painted body color red. Beautiful car. You're gonna have this car built, you'd spend $200,000 plus, maybe $300,000 to build this car. Just the body and paint on this car would probably be in excess of $50,000, $60,000. It's just that nice. The wheels alone on this car, you're probably looking at $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 just for the wheels and tire combination on this car. They are not cheap. Look down the side of this car. Gorgeous car. They're intro wheels. I can get you the size here if I can read it. Might be on a spot where I can't read. I might have to look on the other side. But gee, many Christmas. Look at this car. Gorgeous tan leather interior. Tan boot. All the seat belts are in this car. Same as the front. Gorgeous tan leather interior throughout. Car has gorgeous carpet. Gorgeous door panels. You probably have $50,000, $40,000, $50,000 worth of interior work done on this car. Nice billet aluminum steering wheel on this car. Billet brushed aluminum on the dash. Speaker cover. It's got a low car gas pedal. All billet door handles and window cranks. There's your door jambs. Here's your sill plates. Door jamb right there. Leather interior. The seats are very nice in this car. Another small little imperfection right here. You can kind of see it. Just one small little crack right here. I talked to the gentleman I got the car from. He said that's been like that for the last 3 or 4 years and never gave any trouble. This being a California car, been a dry, warm climate most of its life. The undercarriage, this car is gorgeous. I will have some pictures up on my website here shortly of this undercarriage of this 57 Chevy convertible. The trunk is in great shape. It's gorgeous as well. I'll open the trunk up so you can see it. There's the inside of the trunk. Smells like leather in there. All other side panels, front piece. Got a 6-disc CD changer in the trunk. Well, some of you probably don't use CDs anymore, but I still have some CDs I like listening to. So the bumpers in this car, awesome. Dual exhaust. All around gorgeous automobile. That seat is super comfortable. All your dash lights work, your gauges work. Tilt steering column. Left turn, right turn. Horn. Heater seems to work. Air conditioning works. Air conditioning blows cold. Turn that air off, turn that heat back on. It's cold up here in Iowa. I think all your gauges seem to work like they're supposed to. Has kick panel speakers back there. Electric wipers. I don't know why they're not working, but I'll take a look at that for you. Not like you're probably going to drive this car in the rain a whole lot, but car sounds great, doesn't it, everybody? Headlights, left turn signal. There's no bubbling, there's no blistering that I see anywhere on this car, on the bottom of the car. Quarter panels, nothing like that. This is a very, very high quality 1957 Chevrolet convertible. This car isn't going to be 200 grand, it isn't going to be 150 grand. This car is going to be probably 109. And I'm telling you what, there's no way you'd buy a 57 Chevrolet any better than this for that kind of money. 57 Chevrolet convertible, red, tan interior, tan convertible top. The convertible top's in great shape. You'll see that in the pictures that we took. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa. Give us a call today, 563-452-2450. We'd love to talk to you about this car or maybe one of the other collector cars we have in stock. We stock 100 to 125 collector cars. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, regular inventory every single day. Give us a call if you're interested in this car. We'd love to put this car in your garage. Wouldn't this thing look beautiful with a big red bow wrapped around it for your wife's Christmas present or maybe your husband's Christmas present? Power steering, power brakes, disc brakes in the front, vintage heat and air conditioning, fuel injected 350 engine, 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission, 100% frame off restoration, beautiful paint, beautiful body, beautiful interior, undercarriage, paint to match, painted floor pans, painted frame, everything. Gorgeous, gorgeous car, everybody. If you're looking for a car, you can jump in, drive anywhere, go to all your local car shows, maybe even a Super Chevy show, and show this baby off. Here it is, 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible. Car is badass car. With them intro wheels on it, this car was not a cheap build. Beautiful car, everybody. Please give us a call. Like I say, 563-452-2450, KinionAuto.com. Follow us on our YouTube channel as you're watching this video, Kinion Classics. That way you never miss another great quality classic car from Kinion Classics. I hope everyone has a great weekend. It's Friday. Enjoy your weekend with your family and friends. We are open tomorrow on Saturday, so give us a call on this car. I don't think this car will hang around too long. Gorgeous 57 Chevrolet convertible. Until next time, this has been Adam at Kinion Classic Cars. Take care.